Okay, so editor, scroll beyond last column. Controls the number of extra characters beyond which the editor will scroll horizontally. So let me show you what that actually is. I have a really long line here which creates some horizontal scrolling, and this number relates to the number of characters between the end of the line and the left hand side of, in this case it's the minimap. Now if you increase this number, let's increase from 5 to 50 and enable and disable word wrap so that the scrolling gets recalculated. Now instead of just 5 characters you have 50, so you have this whole space here. Now I think that 5, which is the default value, is too little. I would like a little bit more space, and I would say about 15 would be right. Maybe 10. Yeah, I like 10. I think 5 is just too against the minimap. 10 is perfect.